Hey everyone, it's Kat and welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing a collaboration with Miss Debbie Knoblauch. Debbie is a beautiful YouTuber here that is of the mature age, but she's younger than me and she's gorgeous. She always has such amazing, fantastic eyeshadow looks that I am not as brave as her, but because of her, I'm going to be stepping out of my comfort zone. We're both going to be doing eyeshadow looks with the Natasha Denona Mini Lila eyeshadow palette, and I can't wait to share that with you. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. I am over 50 years old and I love testing out makeup and skincare products. So when Debbie asked me to do this collaboration, I jumped at the chance. She's such a beautiful, kind-hearted person. We actually met while doing a winter collaboration together and we just hit it off. I thought she was an amazing person and I kind of envy her because she's so bold and beautiful with her looks. And I'm just kind of like, I'm a neutrals girl, but she has been pushing me out of my comfort zone. And when I told her I got the Natasha Denona Mini Lila palette, she was like, we have got to do a look together. So I was like, all right, sign me up. She does amazing product reviews and beautiful eyeshadow tutorials. Looking for an eyeshadow look that's just going to be amazing, fantastic, and colorful. Debbie is your girl. Please check out her channel and I will put the link to her channel down below. But yes, we're gonna dive into a look with the Natasha Denona Mini Lila palette and I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing. So let's just get started. Now I've already put on my concealer, foundation, blush, highlighter, and my eyebrows, and I'm actually doing a review on the Urban Decay Inked Brow Gel. And I'll tell you how it ends up because this is supposed to last for 60 hours. But yes, keep an eye out for that upcoming video. But yes, the Natasha Denona Mini Lila palette is so beautiful because it has all these rich plums. This blue dahlia color really is speaking to me and I am going out of my comfort zone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take a clean fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with this taupe color here. Yes, we're starting out neutral. I can't help it. That's just how I roll. And I'm going to go above my crease and just start out there with the transition color. But yes, Debbie, I wish I could have her hair color. She has the most beautiful lilac color. And she just has such a gentle spirit. There was a time I was in her live stream chat and I was telling her what part of California that I moved from, and I had said 29 Palms, and she thought I said 29 Psalms in the chat. Didn't say it, but typed it. I guess she misread it. And we all just had a really fun giggle over that. I was like, no, 29 Palms, not Psalms. She's like, well, maybe Catherine needs a Bible verse to make her feel better. And I was like, that's not where I was going, but thank you for thinking about that. Okay, so I am gone in with this transition color and I'm just gonna go ahead and another fluffy brush, which is BH Cosmetics. I'm just gonna blend it out just to make it nice and soft. Like so. Woohoo! Oh, now, boy, I'm a hot mess tonight, aren't I? Now, okay, the next color I want to go in is with this deep cranberry shade, and the shade is called, I'm so bad at this. That's why I don't do eyeshadow tutorials. Oh, fudge nuts. Now I'm going to go in with Raisin on the outer corners of my eyes with another BH Cosmetics brush. What's great about Natasha Denona's eyeshadow palettes is they have very little kickback. I'm just going to stamp that on to the corner of my outside corner of my eye, and it's such a beautiful plummy color. And these shadows definitely last. And I had already primed and prepped my eyes with, what the hell is that? Oh, shut. Cut that out. Now I've already primed and prepped my eyes with the Soft Ochre MAC paint pot. And funny story about that. I was on a little quickie getaway a couple weeks ago. Ooh, I'm looking janked up. And I totally forgot my concealer and I used the MAC paint pot as my concealer. Hey, when you don't have concealer, you got to use something. but it worked out fantastic. And my eyeliner didn't even smudge one bit. Okay, so that is looking nice. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and I'm going to blend that out to soften up the edges. Like so. Wow, I love this palette. It's so pretty and it's ideal for spring. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I love the blue dahlia. I'm just going to go, let's go for it. I'm just going to go all over the lid. I'm going to tap it on with my finger. Now it's really cool because it looks kind of purple in the monitor, but it has a shift to it and it's so pretty. And it's so velvety and creamy. I absolutely love it. I feel with a duochrome like this, it's easier for me to use my finger. And it's just such a lovely color. And I'm just going to take it all the way up. Oh, who am I kidding? Let's go all the way up. I want some color in my life. Yes. Okay. Zero fallout. This is so impressive. Do not fear. I'm going to take that same Real Techniques brush that I applied the neutral color with, and I'm just going to blend so as to not have any harsh lines. We are creating a look. My goodness. This is what I'm excited for. Yes! This last color right through here, which is called Plant. I think it's called Plant. And I'm just going to smudge a little bit of that Plant to join Raisin and Blue Dahlia together and deepen up that corner. That is such a beautiful color. I think this might be my favorite color in the palette. And smoke out my organs, smoke out my outer corner. Yay. They say purple's for royalty. Debbie's definitely royalty. I'm just going to softly soften out the edges here and drag it in. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm going to use this brush. So far, so good. I am liking this. Now I'm going to go in with Linen, this beautiful champagne color. And I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm just going to tap it into the inner corner of my eye. It's so pretty. It's just such a soft champagne color and it's not too blinding. It's just going to catch the light. And then I'm going to take a little bit of it and just tap it right under my eyebrow. Just so when the light hits it, it'll catch it. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Blue Dahlia. Just so it can connect. And then again, that small brush, take a little bit of Linen, inner corner of my eye. Okay, I know Debbie. She is a glitter girl. I'm going to put some glitter on just for you, Debbie. I'm going to be reaching for the TATI'S Textured Neutrals palette. Now, I know it's a neutral palette, but hello, it has some amazing pressed glitters. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with, ooh, let's go in with the Poet glitter. This formula is amazing. And I'm just going to tap it. Ooh, here. I'm going to tap it on top of the Blue Dahlia. And this is beautiful. Yay. Now, I'm not going to lie. These pressed glitters, you really have to press it in and you will get some fallout underneath. There we are with some glitter. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and pop on some eyeliner and mascara and I will be right back. Okay, eyeliner and mascara on. So what do you think of the final look? Now, I did go in and line my eyes with the Benefit Roller Liner. You know that's my ride or die eyeliner. And then I tried out the new L'Oreal Bambi mascara. I actually really like this formula. I just wish they had it in my shade. This is absolutely the last bottle they had. It's brown black, but I was like, I don't care. I heard so many good things about it. And I actually really like the formula. It's not clumpy whatsoever, and they're supposed to make your eyes look like Bambi, but loving the mascara for sure. I picked this up at Ulta. It retails for $10.99. And for lips, I just went in with Maybelline's Superstay Ink Crayon on Live on the Edge. But I did it for you, Debbie. I did a really bold look. What do you think? I hope it's good for you, Debbie. I hope you're proud of me. But yeah, you know what? Sometimes it's just super fun to just put on some makeup, whatever mood you're in. If you're kind of feeling blue, or, you know, I know things aren't great right now in the world, what's going on right now, but we have each other as a community, and I hope for at least 10-15 minutes I could take your mind off of what's going on and just have fun with makeup. I mean, makeup can be such a game changer, and it can take you to a whole nother world and just have fun and feel pretty. But yeah, Debbie, thanks so much for collaborating with me. I really had a good time, and I'm actually really happy with this eyeshadow look. So leave a comment down below if you have tried the Natasha Denona Mini Lila palette. I absolutely love it. I think, you know what, with as many beautiful, vibrant colors that's in this palette, I've actually been reaching for it every single day to use the linen as well as, wow, this taupey color right here. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on me trying to do a blown out fun look. So yes, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I would love it if you would join my family. And for more reviews on makeup and skincare, check out these videos up here. And don't forget to check out Debbie's channel too and show her some love. But for now, mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.